Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Thinkific for your online courses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Thinkific for your online courses, first, visit the Thinkific website. Click on the Get Started Free button on the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Select the option to agree to Thinkific's terms and conditions. After completing the form, click on Get Started. You'll receive a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Thinkific account with your email and password. You will be guided through the initial setup process. Select your course type from the suggested options based on your goals. Fill in the details of your first course, including the title and description. Next, choose a pricing model for your course. Customize your course by adding lessons and multimedia content. Use the drag and drop editor to organize your course structure. Add any quizzes or assignments you want to include. Set up your course landing page to make it visually appealing. Preview your course to see how it will look to students. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your course live. Set up payment methods for your course sales. Lastly, promote your course through various marketing strategies. And that's how you activate Thinkific for your online courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.